Okie dokie, next video, next tutorial in the wire maze is we're going to learn how to take our idea, which we had here, a lovely ideas, and a chosen idea, and turn it into this, and then 3D print it. So we're in Tinkercad, and here's my design created in Tinkercad. You can see that I've got a breadboard and an Arduino in there. I know I didn't model that. We can actually bring them in and add them in and then sort of design around it, which is pretty cool. So what I'm going to do to start with is to just create a new sketch, and I do that by going create 3D design, new sketch, a new 3D model, and here I am just waiting. And I can just come over here, and on my search for shapes I can type in Uno, U-N-O, and enter, and it will come up with an Uno that I'm hopefully going to be able to add. There it is there. I'm going to drag it in, and I can change the angles of these if I want to. Click, click, click. They can click, or I can do it to, you know, a whole number, or like I can click to these clicky things, which is the technical term, clicky thing. I can then type in here breadboard, and it's a half breadboard that we've got. Yep, which is that one there. We can dragify that in, and we can rotate that around as well. If I just press the X here, I'm back to my normal drawing, and now I can draw my background shape in whatever that's going to be. So I select here, I select on the surface, I'm going to zoom back, and I'm going to start drawing in my shape. Now we can do curves, but they're tricky, so we've got to sort of select and then draw, then we've got to drag it out, sort of like that to get that. So it's tricky. Oh, that's nice. I can do that. So then, yeah, you've got to sort of click and then dragify, and then, yeah, it gets tricky. Anyway, we draw our shape in, click, click, click. It has to be a closed shape, great. And we finish our sketch. Okay, there's our shape. But, oops, it swallowed everything up. We can't see our shape inside, and that's totally fine because we're going to do another little trick. But the first thing we're going to do is going to change this to 5mm, but I'm going to put in -5, okay, because doing -5 will push it in the opposite direction. And that's our first step. That's as far as I'm going to go with this video. It's a really quick one, but it's all about you working out your back shape first. The other video tutorials to come on for that is how do we do the rest, how do we fill in the rest. Okay, so onwards and upwards.